Navajo 89 Bravo, turn left at Sierra, maintenance frequency, taxi to parking via East Ramp. No, 4079 Hotel, change my frequency, 118.3.
4079 Hotel. Tower Navajo 4079 Hotel with you for 20 left.
Navajo 4079 Hotel, runway 20 left, clear to land. Wind 270 at 5.
Fox Sierra, 10 minutes out.
Clear to land 20 left, Navajo 4079 Hotel. Folks, we begin we're on our final approach leg into Fairbanks. Off the right is the University of Alaska Fairbanks. We're just going to be flying just to the north of it.
And tower left 132, ready taxi.
Moscow 132, Fairbanks Tower, runway 20 right, taxi via taxiway Alpha.
20 right via Alpha, here we go, 132.
And Alpha Hotel will be making November clear to parking.
Calling Fairbanks, say again.
Yeah, it's just Medevac Alpha Hotel's clearing November. Cleared it to their ramp with you. Would that work?
Okay, two people calling at the same time. I believe it was 0 Foxtrot Sierra calling 25 miles to the northwest inbound. Remember, 820 Foxtrot Sierra and a right base for runway 20 left, wind at Fairbanks 280 at 5 altimeter 2966. Other aircraft flying Fairbanks, say again.
It was just Medevac Alpha Hotel, just cleared November into the ramp, that's all.
0 Alpha Hotel, thanks, taxi to parking.
Thanks,
Taxiway Alpha.
Thanks, have a night. Good night.
Thanks. Alaska 132, wind to Fairbanks 270 at 6, 142.966.
132. And Alaska 132 will be ready at the end.
Alaska 132, ready. Alaska 132, Fairbanks Tower, runway 20 right, clear to takeoff.
Clear for takeoff to the right, Alaska 132, here we go.
Hello, 234 Charlie Echo, caution wind terminus, Boeing 737, departing parallel. Navajo 79er Hotel, Charlie is closed south of Sierra, make a 180 on the runway, turn right at Sierra, then taxi to parking via East Ramp, company still 6 miles out.
Okay, 180 the runway, and then right at Sierra, and park via East Ramp, Navajo 79 Hotel. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Fairbanks. Woohoo! Tower 79 Hotel, we're clear. Good night, ma'am.
Tower 79 Hotel, thanks. 79 Hotel, 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 79 Hotel, thanks. 79 Ho 234 Charlie Echo, runway 20 left, clear to land, wind 30 at 5.
Clear to land 20 left for 4 Charlie Echo, thanks.
Base 79 Hotel, we're on the deck. Folks, go ahead and keep your seatbelts on until we pull into the chocks there, and then this time go ahead and grab your belongings and loose items and stuff.